Hello entrance. Now we will let you know how you can go ahead and complete all the day-to-day tasks, right? So first there are some stages. Once we complete these stages and we get the required number of students on our portal, then definitely we can like do our routine work. Okay, so first let me take you through the brief. We have been working across Mumbai from last 15 years, and we have thousands of students who may have learned in school or in some projects or so many things. Okay, so we used to conduct some competitions and so many other tasks we used to do in the school. So we have huge database of the students who must have learned some or the other thing from us or our organization. So now we will have that data and we will be providing you that data. So you will have to call the parents and you have to motivate them to onboard with us for online learning platform, right? And for that you have to follow these four stages. The first stage will be sending counseling video. So already the student is registered with us, so there is some links through which you can send the counseling videos to the parents on their WhatsApp numbers. Then telling the parents to go through the video, parents counseling video. Then telling them ki you just go through the video. Once you go through, then we'll call you again and we'll try to speak with you. We'll clear some of your doubts, right? Because everything, if you try to counsel, then definitely it will take a long time and you will not be able to listen, but through video it will be easier. So all the concepts are clear already in his mind. Then just like you can just motivate him and he will be able to agree with you, right? So for that you have to do in this way. Telling him to give mobile and support students. So you have to tell him ki, like if you are able to give him a mobile access or like any tab or laptop, whatever he is having, then definitely we will be able to take the responsibility of the student and able to help the student. And whenever, like, we cannot say ki acha on the first call only he is going to agree with you. He may need some time to think, or he will be telling you will think or whatever, but we have to see to it ki like we have to motivate him till the time he says no. Okay, so that is our primary stage. So this is there. Once like it is clear, if the student says ha we are agree, so then like the parents is agree, he knows everything about the project, he knows the importance, then definitely will get a good support from the parents. Once parents is ready to support, now it's time to concentrate on student. Then we have to make the student comfortable, as well as we have to think that see, when we go for some work, what happens, we have a certain defined work to be done, right? So, sir, the same way, if we give a student the complete routine of the day, like this time he has supposed to do this task, and this time he has to do this task, and we want that key student should be developed 360, right? So for that, what we have to do is we have to plan his routine, and for that, step by step everything we control. So we have been doing this with so many students, but it takes time. Okay, in a single day we cannot tell the student to do everything. So first we'll start with the easy thing, that is English. Then once he gets into that routine, then we'll add one more activity, then one more activity, then one more activity. Then definitely his entire time will be utilized resourcefully. Like it covers entire like playing, physical activity, mental ability, coordination, cooperation, interaction, everything we have covered in our syllabus. All right, then providing him with the username and password that we have already provided. Then motivating parents to give him mobile. So this again we have to keep checking, right? Progress of the student. So we have to tell the parents that whatever he is doing every day, we'll check and we'll send the report to you. You just check the progress, and if the progress is good, motivate him or like appreciate him. Then if the progress is not that good, then motivate him to put extra efforts. Sending training videos to students. So whatever the student is supposed to do, we have the training videos with us. So you just have to send him, and he just have to follow the things, and he will be able to do it. Giving proper follow up and motivation, right? So you have to properly follow up and motivate the student as well as the parents. Bifurcating students by resource and support they have. Okay, so basically we divide the students in three different categories. First is online, whose parents are supporting student by paying fee and willing to monitor the progress of student. Sometimes we charge the fees also, but currently like it is free, so we don't want anyone to pay any fees right now. Whose parents are supporting students by paying fee and willing to monitor the progress. So those students, right? So whose parents are like ready to monitor the progress after your communication with them, then definitely you just have to monitor the progress. Offline, offline are those students who is not having the mobile facility at home, so they are the offline students. Sometimes in a particular area, if there are more students, then we organize the offline activities for them. Then free, who are not interested or not willing to pay fee, but we will keep motivating them. So free are the those students who are not, basically they will say ki I'm not interested, so we'll put them into free category, and we'll try to keep motivating them in between, right? And then step 4, now we have shortlisted all the student and we have only online students left over with us. That means they are the interested students, and now every day we just have to follow them and we have to check their videos, we have to keep motivating them, we have to keep informing their parents about the progress, right? So how you have to do it, do everything practically, we will train you. But I hope this should be clear first, what we are going to do and how we are going to do it. So what we are going to do, these are the things, and how we are going to do, we'll train you again. Okay, thank you.